This week in the Frame Shop, we completed 3 gallery wall sets, all for the same designer and same developer, but 3 different projects, 3 different developments. So this one is very contemporary art. It has black frames and acrylic sandwich frames on standoffs. Now, the designer had a number of special requests on this project. One, I don't think she had a lot of faith in her installation crew, so she asked us to create this full-size installation template, and you can see this here on the floor, and this will help the installers with spacing and alignment and make sure they get the the right pictures in the right spot. There was also another special request for the acrylic pieces, and these are actually quite difficult to install, even for an experienced installer. You've got one shot and it has to be absolutely perfect. You have to get the screws in these standoffs at exactly the right location. They have to be aligned perfectly, and you only get one shot at it, and you can't really move the piece over ½ an inch and start over, because you have this clear border around it, so any holes that you leave in the wall, you're going to see them. So she asked us if there was a way that we could overcome the difficulty for installing this. So what we did was put a wood frame on the back of it, and we put these cleats, which is a more common and easier to deal with type of hanging system. The standoffs are 2-piece, they screw together, so they are holding the 2 sheets of acrylic together, but other than that they're just decorative. So the standoffs will not actually attach to the wall. Of course, anyone looking at these from the front is not going to know any of this, and it will look like the standoffs are supporting it. So each of these projects was different. We did another one that was more traditional. It had wood tone frames, wood and gold tone frames, and more traditional artwork. So this is a good example of our niche in the market, which is customization. The designer had very, very specific cropping instructions on each piece of the art. She needed a template. She needed the standoffs to be easier to install, and so we accomplished all of that for her needs. So if you need something highly custom and you have issues that we can help you resolve, that's what we do. So please follow us on YouTube, check out our website at artifexart.com, and I'll see you next time in the Frame Shop.